catch mice occasionally, little birds. Oh, you're back. Okay. And they're quite aerodynamic, the way they can grab that prey in the air. Now, kestrels are very good at what we call hovering, and that's where they can stay in one position up in the air. Now, the only thing is, Kezzy doesn't do it very well, but we'll give it a go. Come on, stay up, 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 up. Come on. Up, up, up. Come here. Come on. Up, up. Come on. Come on. Back up here. Up. That's it. Stay up. There we go. Beautiful. So, now, are you going to try and do a little bit more hovering for me? Come on, back over here. Up. Up. Here we go. Beautiful. All right. What I'm going to do right over your head there. So she's very good at this. She's, wow, look at that. That's her wow. And she's going to use different techniques like that to try to get it behind me. Now watch what she's doing now. She's coming around the tree, and look at the speed she came from the tree there. So if you can keep a bird like this going for 10 or 15 minutes, she's going to come through the trees. Whoa! Whoa! There we go.
Comes right out of
You
there.
know that they're nice. There she comes around the tree.
Controlled, yeah.
Oh, she's got it. Beautiful.
Right
Now that was really great for you guys to see, because she used 3 different techniques then to try and get her prey. She used that lovely stoop, so she'll go up, twist that body and drop down onto the prey. Looking at an Australian kestrel. If you see a little white one doing that, it looks like a little angel. That's a black-shouldered kite. So they're the 2 that are very good at hovering here on the island. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to take little Kezzy home. And this is, of course, a barn owl, and a very well-known species of birds, these owls. But yes, because of their secretive nocturnal nature, we very rarely get to see them. Her name is Shush. And Shush is very friendly, and she does like to come and visit people, don't you, Shush? What do you reckon? Going to come and say hello to someone down here? There we go.
Oh, man.
Now, she will sit on other people's knees. I'll try and avoid anyone who doesn't have long pants on, because they're a raptor. So just like we saw that daytime falcon, which is a raptor, cats with their feet, nighttime.
Barn owl.
Thank you. I'll be back in a... Okay, now this is where we get to have a bit of fun. These 2 are real characters. This is Banjo and Clancy, and they are actually kingfisher. There we go. All right, now I've got some gloves here. Here we go. Down here. Oh, it's gone the other way and caught something. So looking for something on the ground down there. Banjo, come on. Come on. Up here. That's it. Look, over here. There we go. Actually, that's Clancy and that's Banjo over there. There we go. So just moving your hands just backwards and forwards slightly. Just backwards and forwards like that. That's it. Yeah, and we'll see if we can get the head to stay still. There we go. So just maybe just a little bit sort of just look like that. That's it. That's it. And you can get the head to stay really, really still. You're getting it. That's it. These 2 little characters home, and I've got one more beautiful bird to show you today. Come on, you 2. Come on. Hurry up. I'll be back soon. Okay. All right. Now I promise she won't be sitting on anyone's knees today. You won't have to move for this one. No, this is Jedda, and Jedda is a Wedge Tailed Eagle. So this is Australia's largest bird of prey, and also, have a look at these feet, also the most powerful bird of prey as well. Wow. Jedda is a very famous eagle. She was rescued 20 years ago, and you can see the shape of the tail as well, that diamond or wedge-shaped tail, and that gives them the name Wedge Tailed Eagle. They're a little bit like the golden eagle in the northern hemisphere, except when their adults, their colours turn black. So they're only golden for about the first 6 years of life. And also golden eagles have a cut-off tail, and these ones have that big diamond-shaped tail. Now you are looking at the largest eagle species in the world in terms